In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tip option on Square appointments. Hello and welcome. Whether you're a seasoned pro at using Square for your business or new to the platform, today's tutorial is going to be incredibly helpful. We're delving into a feature that's beneficial both for your staff and for enhancing customer service, enabling the tipping option. Let's get right into it. Our starting point is visiting the Square website. Once you're there, it's essential to sign in to access your dashboard. Look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right of the page. It's your gateway to all the fantastic services Square offers. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. These are the credentials you used when you initially set up your Square account. If you happen to forget your password, don't worry, there's usually a link to reset it. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself at the Square dashboard. This hub is the control panel for your Square account, where you can manage various aspects of your business, from sales reports to appointment settings. As we proceed, click on Staff and Payroll from the dashboard options. This section is where you can manage your team members' information, including their roles, permissions, and importantly for today's topic, their eligibility for receiving tips. Next, within the Staff and Payroll section, you'll want to select Team. This brings up a list of your staff members. Here's where you decide who among your team can receive tips from customers. Select a staff member to edit their profile. You're looking for the fine details that include job descriptions, compensation, and more. Navigate to the job and compensation section of their profile, a crucial part for today's task. Once in the job and compensation section, hit the edit button. This action allows you to modify various employment details. It's essentially the backstage pass to tuning the specifics of each team member's role and benefits within your business. After clicking edit, you will see the option to edit the job. Here lies the golden feature we've been leading up to, turning on tip eligible. By enabling this, you're allowing customers the option to add a tip when they're settling their payments. It's a simple toggle that can make a significant difference in your staff's earnings and morale. It's worth noting that enabling the tip function is a gesture that acknowledges the hard work and quality service your team provides. Plus, it gives customers an easy way to express their gratitude for exceptional service. To activate this feature, simply toggle the setting to make the staff member tip eligible, and that's it. You've effectively enabled tipping for that staff member. It's a straightforward process, but one that can have a significant impact both on employee satisfaction and on the overall customer experience. So what's great about Square is that it streamlines this process, making it seamless to not only manage your business, but also enhance the way your customers interact with your services. Enabling tipping is just one of the many features that make Square a versatile platform for business owners. And there you have it. You now know how to add a tipping option for your staff on Square appointments. It's a beneficial feature that supports a positive feedback loop between your customers and your team. Remember, investing in your staff's well-being by enabling them to receive tips is a step towards creating a more motivated and customer-focused team. Plus, it's always appreciated by customers when they have an easy way to show their gratitude for exceptional service. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Whether you're fine-tuning your business's operations or looking to enhance your customer's experience, Square offers a range of features to help you achieve your goals. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Square account. Until next time, take care.